Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Claude models, how to switch between those. So you will see that there is a Sonnet logo that I'm using at the moment. If you click it, you will see the other models as well. But these are the most popular ones. If you guys want to use another model that are available, but you not listed over here, just click on more models and you will be able to see it and use it. And for the efforts, you guys can always use it from here. So you guys can enable the thinking for the complex tasks. This is for the desktop application, but for the Claude CLI, I would recommend using the PowerShell and then open up the Claude from here. Once it's loaded up, you will see this sort of interface. Just use backslash and then type in model. And once you have selected the model, just select the model that you want to use. For example, I have three different models and four different models. I'm just going to go ahead and click on first. So it will just shift it from the Fable to the Sonnet. So it's that easy. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.